Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on how to fill shapes with geologic symbols. So as you can see, my main screen has a couple polygons and circles and a rectangle drawn on it. In order to do the tutorial, you're going to want to draw a couple of your own shapes. Just a quick reminder on how to do that is you'll click these 3 points, go to Custom Shape Layer. That will add this custom shape layer into your layer manager. And then when you're ready to draw, you right click your main screen and you can choose between polygons, circles, and rectangles. And now that you have the shapes on your main screen, you're going to want to fill these different shapes with different symbols. So when you first draw a shape, the default is red with a white outline. And we are going to fill each one of these with a different geologic symbol. You're going to double click your shape layer in your layer manager. And you can see that this opens your options panel. And on the bottom, you'll see that each row signifies a different shape on your main screen. So as I click them, you'll see they highlight on your main screen. And you are going to want to look for the column that says Fill Style. So it should be over here. It's right here. And I'm going to click this. And these are all of my options for the geologic symbols that I will want to fill it with. So let's do this one. And we'll change a couple of these. You can see as I click on different ones, it highlights on my screen. And it's pretty simple. Just double click that box and pick whatever symbol you want to do. Now, let's say you have a bunch of other shapes that you need to fill, and you want to continue to draw other shapes, and you want them all to be the same geologic type. You can do that by going to Feature, Edit Styles, and you're going to want to scroll down to the Fill area. And you'll see here it says Fill Style. You'll click here, and you'll bring up your window with all your geologic types again. Let's say we're going to do everything else in this symbol. I'm going to click it, and don't forget to say Save. And you'll see that all of the other polygons and circles now have the fill that we chose. So let's right click our screen and say Add another circle. And we'll fill this crater. And now everything I'm drawing has the symbol that we just chose. So now let's go into the shape layer again. And let's say you made a mistake and you don't actually really want to fill all those shapes with the same symbol. You can go back to Edit Styles and say Reset to Default, and then say Save. And it'll change all the ones that you had changed to the default again. And you can do that with all of these. You can double click in there and say Reset to Default. This feature is really nice if you are going to be drawing geologic maps and filling all kinds of different shapes. It's pretty easy to use. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.